bugnay. Kabalo mo sa bugnay. Look. This is actually like what? This can be eaten actually. Yan, bugnay. And it's nice to find it here. Yan. Right. Look at this. Look at this plant. It bears a lot of fruits. And look at that. Wow. Yan. That is bugnay. Now you can really find this one nowadays. Kami sa bugnay. Oh my God. That's the bugnay tree with my family down there. Na kalami sa bugnay. Wow. I'm taking a longer video for you to see the bugnay. Of course, birds are going to feed on this bugnay. Ang ganda. Oh! Wow! There are two of them here. I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you first. How do you feel? How do you feel climbing the tree? Do you like it? Okay. Be careful, you might slide. Be careful, you might slide. Two monkeys. Monkey the big one. Monkey the smaller one. Monkey. Up, 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 Sabrina. Don't move without my assist.
One friendly, the most friendly girl. Hi, Zakia. Hi, Zakia. Hi, Sa. You tell Papa to you go down na naman sana yung pan nito.
Spider? It's a berry. I'll go up, look.
Saki, look at me, nak. Look at Mama.
Hey.
Saki, look at Mama. Smile.
Ayaw, irin mo. Hold me. Hold me.
Saki, where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Saki? Where are you? Nagitaan ni taas na kayo.
Siap.
Ini itu deh.
Ayo. Naras dulu kayo.
Look, there's friends.